Hello cars internados. Today, I'll be sharing with you how I made a nature-like interior terrarium for our 2-3-month-old tortoises, namely Ping-pong and Pong-Pong or Ping-pong tortoises. First, a plant box or wooden box. The base soil, which is made from the coconut peel. Dried pine barks. 2 basins to put some water and foods. Live plants, which are edible for the turtles to eat. Some decors like stones and wooden tree branches as you may like. And before I forget, you need a UV light bulb to keep your turtles warm enough, especially during cold weathers, and to help them build their bones stronger. Having said the basic things you need for an interior terrarium, the tortoises love to move around, they love to hide and climb all the way up on the plants, and love to get wet. They become energetic and therefore they will grow healthier and stronger. The soil must always be kept moist. The tortoises love a moist-like temperature inside the terrarium. At the same time, serve fresh water and leafy green salads on a daily basis. With this kind of nature-like environment interior terrarium, Ping-pong and Pong-Pong are very happy tortoises. If you like this video, please show your support by subscribing, click like, comment and share. And don't forget to smash that notification bell for future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.